Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the Surface Pro 7 and signing in. Press the power button once and watch for the Surface logo. This begins Windows setup. Connect to Wi-Fi so updates and drivers download immediately, and sign in with your Microsoft account so settings roam. If you prefer a local account, create it now. However, using Microsoft lets OneDrive and device security work seamlessly. Once done, make sure Windows Update completes before installing apps, because drivers install during that first connection. Next, configure the screen and accessories so you can work comfortably. Attach the type cover or pair a Bluetooth keyboard, test keys and the trackpad immediately because you may need to reinstall drivers. Adjust display scaling, 125% suits many users, set brightness and enable night light for reduced blue light. Calibrate the touchscreen and pair the Surface Pen, then open the Surface app to install firmware updates. Doing this now prevents later input issues and ensures the pen, touch, and keyboard all behave predictably. Finally, install your essential apps and confirm backups so your work is safe. Install Office, your preferred browser, and reputable security software. Use the Microsoft Store for simplified updates when possible. Configure OneDrive or file history and enable BitLocker if you store sensitive data. Run Windows Update again and check Device Manager for any unknown devices. If something fails, reboot, reconnect power, and retry the update. And if a driver is missing, download it from Microsoft's Surface support in the Surface app.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.